Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you an awareness. I just want to spread an awareness about the latest Kajabi, you can say plan, okay. So if you directly go to kajabi.com, okay, or directly if you go to pricing, so currently you can see there are, earlier it used to show only three pricings, okay, $149 per month, $199 per month, and $399 per month. But now the good news is we have got Kickstarter plan as well, which is you can get started with Kajabi at just $69. Okay, you can get started. Okay, I mean, in this what is the detail of this plan I'm going to share with you. But for that, if you want to go ahead and try this for at least 14 days, you can go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi69. Kajabi69. I'm giving this clickable link in this video description as well. This is my affiliate link, and if you go to this affiliate link, you can actually avail 14 days free trial. Okay. Now, what comes in this plan? Okay, it is $69 per month only, where you will get you can actually create one digital product in Kajabi, which you can sell, one funnel. Okay, though you can create 50 landing pages. Okay, which means this funnel option is available, but you can create multiple funnels. Okay, up to 50 landing pages you can create. You can actually have one website. Okay, so if you have a domain and you can integrate your domain with Kajabi, and you can get started with one website. Also, you can have 250 contacts in your email list, 50 people in your customers. 50 people as customers means 50 students. Okay, minimum, and then one admin user. Okay, so this is what you get in $69 per month plan. So it is best for those people who are just getting started with their business. Okay, if I convert this into Indian currency, okay, I'm into India, so in Indian currency it is just 5,700 rupees per month. Okay, so that's a great it is a great plan for people who are just starting their online business. And if you are reaching to 50 contacts list and more active customers, so which means your business is going on good and you're making money, then you can upgrade it to the next plan, which is $149 per month. Okay, so yeah, so what is Kajabi? You can go ahead and just see this entire page. Okay, so this page link I'm giving you in this video description. So yeah, you can integrate this Kajabi tool with many other tools, but I think it is not required. You get all the email, landing page, everything, LMS, everything into Kajabi tool itself. Okay, so you can actually use this. You can actually create a membership site as well, okay, using Kajabi, but that will be counted as one product. Okay, and yes, you can cancel your subscription anytime, but start with 14 days and then later on you can take decision accordingly. Okay, so that's a great news. Okay, for those who are just getting started with Kajabi, I got many people who say that $149 earlier plan, $149 per month is a little expensive for those who are just starting their business, but now you can kickstart with this Kickstart plan. Okay, so again, go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi69. I'm giving you this clickable link in the description as well, and just see this page, go through it and start with 14 days trial, and then later on you can decide. Okay, thank you.